In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Wattpad app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, for you to install this app, you need to go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store on your Android smartphone. As you can see, I have my Google Play Store here. I'll tap on it, then go to search bar here and search for the app. If you can see the search bar, you can also tap on search here. Now you can proceed and just type in the name, and here we go, Wattpad. Then head over to search. Now here you can see we have the Wattpad app. Make sure it is from wattpad.com. that is the right company that owns this app. And this is the logo, and here is the tag, Wattpad read and write stories. At the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.2 with over 4 million reviews, and averagely it is 43 MBs. Currently this app has over 1 million downloads. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Wattpad and then install it on your smartphone. Once it has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open here, or if you go back to your apps, now you should see the latest version of Wattpad app here. Go ahead and tap on it, and here is the home interface. So that's how you can install the latest version of Wattpad app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.